I almost forgot to hit the record button. Let's go walking.
You have entered the monitoring area.
Look at the flower. Hold on, baby. Hold on, doggies. Just showing the flowers. Folks might like seeing the flowers blooming. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Doggy's pulling me. Oh, there's more blooming. Yeah, they're going to have a lot of roses on it. Not that one so much. I don't know what's wrong with that one. Yesterday I picked a bunch of tomatoes, especially grape tomatoes. I'm going to be tomatoed out. I'm going to turn into a tomato. I'm eating tomatoes every night for my dinner. Every night. I'm going to turn into a